Hey guys, welcome to my vlogs. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today we did some things today, mostly taking care of ourselves. What type of stuff did we do? Well, we woke up in the morning and then we cooked a very hearty meal, arroz caldo. The leftovers of the arroz caldo is outside because it will be cold outside and we don't want it to spoil. Loco, I am sleeping with tonight. I don't know if he will look here, but you can see I am sleeping with someone tonight. We are in this tent. Right? So we're gonna make some noise later tonight. Nasaan na yung aking drawing? I will show you my drawing. So again today we woke up, we make arroz caldo. Wait lang. May sipon yung aking ilong. Okay na. Today we make arroz caldo and on for breakfast and lunch we had the arroz caldo, but we have leftover. The leftover was great because I can have breakfast for tomorrow morning. And then we make some chicken sandwich, chess, or just the palaman for the chicken sandwich. But what we did was we boiled the chicken, or I didn't boil the chicken, someone else boiled the chicken, and the chicken was boiled, and then we shred the chicken and put the seasoning to make it lasa, and then we put um, some dressing to make it more lasa, and then we pack it because tomorrow morning we are going to hike. Ano yung hike natin, kuya? Base Las Torres. We're gonna hike the Base Las Torres, and it's gonna take around 8 hours, was it? Around 8 hours. So we're gonna have to bring a lot of food with us because it's gonna be long hike. So we're staying here in the tent because we want to be close to the site so that we can reach the top very early, and we're leaving very early as well. But right now, when we arrive at camp, we took a little walk and we discovered some nice spaces, cool view, and I'm gonna show you what I did. Okay, here's the first one. It's a little rough, but you can see That's the first one. It's in the river. It looks like there was supposed to be a wooden bridge for people, but it's broken. But that's the river, and then the broken wooden bridge there. And then the next one is our tent where we're staying tonight. It looks like an onion or a pumpkin or a garlic, but yeah, it's pretty nice inside, but it's very cold. We don't have any heating, but we're gonna survive, hopefully, with our body heat and insulation from the kumot. So yeah, we're gonna hit the hay, as they say, for the first time today, because early bird gets the worm. Okay, sounds good, right? Anyways, guys, if you want to watch more videos of mine, you can go check it out. Follow me and like and subscribe and hit the bell notification on your YouTube. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.